Hello, this video is about energy, power and time, but more particularly it's about looking at the units in this equation. It's really important to look at the units, especially in the questions that go with this video, because they're designed really to catch you out. You've got to look for the units. So first of all, we'll look at the bottom one. This is the kind of energy, power, time equation you use when you're thinking about big household appliances like a Hoover or a kettle. This is where we're measuring power in kilowatts, thousands of watts, and time in hours. Now, the unit then for the energy is pretty simply, if you multiply these units together, you get the energy unit, kilowatt hours. So energy in kilowatt hours is power in kilowatts times time in hours, nice and straightforward. The other equation, which is what you use more often when you're talking about electrical components in sort of circuit electricity, things like that, is a little bit more confusing. You've got to think about what a watt is. So I've written up here, watts, that's named after a physicist, James Watt. They're really a measure of energy per second, joules per second. And if you know that that's joules per second, then this equation starts to make a bit more sense. If you get power times time in seconds, you end up with joules. So there's your other set of units. Energy in joules is power in watts times time in seconds. Look carefully at the units when you do these questions and make sure they agree, and you won't have any problems. Thanks for watching.